Okay, so today we will complete this retrieve consolidated schedule for process API. Okay, so let me go to my endpoint studio. Okay, so I will close all the project, close all, open this one. So in schedule, this one is for root. For schedule also we will have same flow. Almost everything will be same. Okay, so what I will do, first I will copy entire thing from here and I will put in schedule and I will do required change. Okay, so let me go to XML. I will take from this starting subflow till end. So I took all the subflow. Okay, I will go there, go to configuration XML, remove this subflow, this is not required. Okay, we have given proper name here. Okay, anyhow we'll change for everyone from root to schedule. So let me remove this also. Okay, so now you will get everywhere you will get error, since every flow name what we have given is it's already inside get root. So first thing we'll change from get root to schedule. Okay, so similar way from here, then here we have 3 subflow, so in every subflow we will change this to root, from root to schedule. Okay, still we have error, this error or something else. Okay, fine, I don't think we have error. Now let's start with first. When transport company name is this one is I think for fast go. Okay, so I will go in, this is for fast go only now. Let me go through. Okay, so fast go only. So insert variable, what we are doing here, if you remember, for fast go what will be our structure will be same, /API /transport type, car, bus, whatever we are giving. Then we will take property value, and this type what resource path we will take, http requester fast go resource type. Okay, then where we are adding root and schedule. Okay, let me check. /API, this one is transport type, and then okay, yeah, this one. So this time, if okay, let me open property file also, then it will be more clear for you what I am doing. So I am referring this local property, so I will open this. This time actually I want to implement for schedule. Okay, so if you remember, first go schedule path will be schedules path. Okay, same for this travel on tip also, schedules path. Okay, so if I go here, if I click here, so this path should be http requester fast go schedules path. If I will use routes path, then this what we are doing here, we are generating path. Okay, then what this API will do, this API will call route flow, means route system API, but I want to call schedule one, so we have to change here schedules path. Same thing we have to do for this one also. So for schedule we will not do everything from scratch, we will just do required change. Okay, now in cache also, if you remember, we need to do one change. What change? If you go there, so here if you remember, in last we are adding routes. So instead of routes, what we need to add? Schedules. Okay, R was capital or small? Capital. Schedules. Okay, same thing we need to do. Okay. Okay, we can't do this. If we want to do this, then we have to do in different way. Why? Let me explain you first. So caching strategy we are using same for each API. For route also, for get route also, and for get schedule also. We have only one caching strategy, that is caching strategy. If I want to change here from route to schedule, then what it will do, whatever change we will do, if we are changing here schedules, then this change will happen for this also, since we are using same caching strategy now. So whatever change we will do here, it will reflect for everywhere, get route also, get schedule also. So we have two options. Either we can create one caching strategy for route and another one for schedule, first option. Or second option we have, so whatever value we are taking here, instead of hard coded value, here what we can do, we can add one variable, and we can set this variable in route flow and schedule flow. So if we are calling this caching strategy from schedule flow, then we will create one variable like resource. If resource is, means if we are calling this caching strategy from schedule flow, we will set one variable resource with schedule, and once here we will use that variable. Okay, let me do this, then it will be clear. So first I need to set one variable, resource, and what will be resource? This one is route flow. Okay, let me save this. And in caching strategy, what we will do, instead of hard coding this value, we will use resource. Okay, so what will happen? If I will call caching strategy from this route flow, then what will happen? Variable will be routes, and in caching strategy, whatever key we are generating, that key will contain routes at the end. And if I want to call that caching strategy from schedule, so here also we need to set one variable. Okay, and what will be name here? Schedules. Okay, now if I will call this caching strategy from this flow, schedule flow. Then what will happen? Here in this variable we will get value as a schedule. Okay, so in this way we can resolve this problem. Okay, or if we don't want to do in this way, then what option we have? We need to create two caching strategy, one for schedule and one for route. Okay, so caching also done. Now next requester, are we doing anything? This is for travel on tip SAPI. So we are calling SAPI and resource path for schedule. Okay, so we have created this resource path using schedule detail. Okay, in transformation, yes, here we need to do change in this two transformation. Since for schedule we have different set of response. Okay, let me check, and do we need any other? This logger this logger is anyhow not required. Let me delete this logger also we don't need, and here also let me remove this. This logger is also not required. Anything else? No. Now here, so we will get response. Only transformation we need to change, so this transformation we will change. Let me check anything else we need to change. So this from this flow we are calling above to flow, which we already updated for schedules. Here what we are doing, this one for either for route and schedule, everything should be same. For reference should be same. This logger we don't need. Whatever response will come, we will add them. Okay, so only thing we need, this transformation need to be changed. Okay, so we will do change. So let me see what is response format of schedule from first go and this travel on tip. I think we have already, so either we can check from here. Okay, better let me start my application. Okay, so deployment done. Again, I forgot to start my database. Have I started? Okay, it should give some error now. Okay, we're getting. Anyhow, in case of database, we will get one warning. It's a warning or error. Okay, I think it's a warning. Okay, all application deployed, so we'll wait for 30 seconds to start our database. and then we will call. So what API I want to call? I want to call local tribal on tip root schedule first go root schedule. Okay, I haven't given proper name. I should give external and then SAPI. Okay, I think all these are external API. Okay, SAPI local tribal on tip root SAPI. Yeah, SAPI we started. This one is schedule SAPI. Okay, so let me do savage. Schedule SAPI and Mulesoft Realtime. Fine. Then this one is fast go. This one is local fast go root SAPI. Local fast go root SAPI. This one is schedule SAPI. Local fast go schedule SAPI. And this one is localhost. This one is process API. So local BAPI. Fine. Okay, so what I want to test, where is my, okay, everything is deployed. Yes, so for SAPI we did required change. Okay, let's start with actually I want to see first response. Okay, so this one is travel on tip fast go route, travel on tip SAPI fast go route. Where is fast go schedule? Oh, I saved both with root only. So this is fast go route and this is fast go schedule. Okay. Okay, so first call, let me call this. Okay, we are getting response in this format, and then I will call travel on tip route, travel on tip schedule. Okay. So what I am doing, I am just collecting both the response payload from SAPI layer. Okay, so from SAPI we are getting this. Okay, now so from this SAPI and from this SAPI what response I got, I will get in this format and I will get in this format. This is for fast go. So in case of fast go, we will get in this format, and this is for travel on tip. So in travel on tip call, after travel on tip we are calling SAPI now. We are in BAPI layer, we are calling SAPI. We will get that response. Now we need to generate BAPI response, process API response. Okay, so let me go to this document. So what they are saying, response format, response should be like this. Okay, for schedule. Okay, so what we will do, I need one payload structure. Okay, so departure schedule is coming. inside departure schedule everything will come. Actually, instead of this, what we can do, simply array of object we will display. We will not display first object, then this name, then in this we will not display. Let me do in Ramal, let me check in Ramal what we did. So we need for schedules example, we have this, yeah, this one we want. So in document we need some modification. One is this, another one also we have identified. So small modification required anyhow. So for now I will go to schedule, and here I will paste it here. Okay, instead of pasting that entire payload, just let me take one payload only, since we are using map function. So map function will generate multiple payload and will create this array structure. So we will just put it here. Okay, now whatever value we are getting, we will use, means we will not hardcode, we will use value from here. So this one is travel on tip schedule. Okay, travel on tip schedule. So let me see, travel on tip schedule, this one. So first we will get available seat in this form. So how to map available seat? Instead of this, what will be value dot available seat, then company name. Here company name traveled on tip hardcoded value is fine. Now departure date time. Okay, so from where we will get this value dot departure date time. Okay, then next, oh, what I did, it should be here. Then what we need destination location. Okay, sorry, travel route, destination location description. Okay, we need only location description and location description here. Okay, now we don't have location description, we have location code. If you see here, are we getting location description? No, we are getting location code. And here what we want location description. In case of route, we want location code and location description both, but in case of schedule we want only location description. So what I will do, almost same kind of structure will be there. So better I will go here and I will copy this. Logic. So where I want this logic, here. Okay, let me maximize this. Here we want this logic. Now look, mapping will be same, filter will be same. This value $.location code. Okay, this will be also same. So from where we are getting this value, we are getting from that JSON file we created last day, and this value we will get from this API call. Okay, so what is this value? Location code. Okay, so let me see how we will get location code. So location code will come in this format. So travel route. So after value we will have travel route, then destination location. Is this destination location only? Yes. Travel route, destination location. Inside destination location we have location code. So inside destination location dot location code. So whatever value will match with this location code, we will get entire object, and that in that object means array of object, we will have only one element, one object, so 0. And then what we need location description. Same thing we will use for this origin location description also. And from where we will generate value, so from here. So inside travel route we have origin location code, so we will match with travel route, origin location and location code. Okay, so hope everyone clear with this logic what we are doing here. Now same thing I will copy and I will go to fast go. Okay, so company name will be this time fast go. Then available seat, let me see what is the response format of. So here we are getting available seat in this format, so I will take available seats. Then departure date time we will get here. Then again travel route, destination location description, origin location description, we will find these two value. So everything will be same. Only thing what we are doing here, everyone, if everyone can remember, let me go there. Where is my JSON file? If you see here, so what we are doing, we are taking that particular object where we are matching with this location code. Okay, so we are matching with this location code with our response location code. For example, for this payload I am generating, so whatever location code I am getting from here, I am matching with all the location code. For example, this location code matching with this, then I will get this object. Okay, so I will get this object, and then I am taking, actually I will get array of object, so I am taking 0th index means first object, that is only object there, and then I am taking location description from there, so I am taking this location description from here. Okay, so I will match with so $.location code means this location code, $.location code, I will match with what? I will match with this, either this or this. Okay, so let me see which location code. This one is destination location code, so from and to will be our destination location code. Okay, so value dot to location, and this one will be, oh sorry, from location. Origin location will be value dot from location. So what we are doing in that entire JSON, we are checking where $.location code means inside JSON whatever object we have, in each object which location code matching with my this system API response from location code. If any object matching, from that object I will take location description. So we are done with the implementation of this. Others logic will be same, everything will be same. This, after getting both the payload, we will add in this way only. So in this way you have to think like how you can do copy paste and all from existing code, and you can minimize your development. Okay, If other means someone may do like they will start development of this from very sketch also, but in that case, if you remember, for development of this only we took 1 day entire time, 2 hour or 3 hour. Now for this development I think we took almost 15 minutes. Okay, maybe to make it more common we need to do a small change, like we added set variable, we added here also, so you may need to do some small change, but still you can save lots of time. Okay, now let me run this and let me see everything configured properly or not. If there will be any error, then we will try to resolve that. Okay, so deployment done. Let me call this. So get root, duplicate, okay, one more thing. This one is root. Okay, localhost 9085 API. In schedule, are we passing anything extra? Transaction. Okay, we can verify this from YAML. So either we can go on design center or you can check here also. So I will open this API. So in case of schedule, oh, we have to pass many things. Okay, so what all things are there? Transaction ID, okay, few of them are query parameter and few of them are okay from document also. Later we go through this. So all are optional. Okay, so no need to pass for now. Since based on this we will do some filter. Okay, we need to add filter also, that we will do later on. So for now I am passing only transaction ID. I am calling this. Okay, so we are getting critical error. Let me see. JVM adjusted error. "9083 failed timeout." Okay, so we are getting timeout. Okay, so in that case actually I will see how we can increase timeout of HTTP requester everywhere. Actually ideally we have one option, but I have observed many times that option is not working, so I will try to find some other alternative. For now we don't have any option. We will restart it again, since after one time run my JVM getting timeout, this one size problem, so we need to restart this. Okay, so let me call this again. Okay, so this time we are getting response. Okay, so we are done with this, but till this point we are missing one thing. So we have many filter condition. So based on this we need to filter our response. Okay, this part I think I missed in root also. Do we have any? Yes, in root also we have some filter condition. If they will pass company name, okay, this filter we implemented. If someone will pass company name, then we will fetch only that particular company name. Means we will fetch record for that particular company name only. So if we are passing fast go, then we will fetch response for fast go only. If someone passing travel on tip, then we will fetch response for travel on tip only. But this two response we haven't implemented. Means this two query parameter we haven't implemented. So now we need to think how we can implement this. So should we implement while calling system API? I think we will not able to pass this. Do we have anything in system API? Okay, let me handle this in process API only, since whatever business logic we are applying, we should apply in process API. So if someone will provide departure location, okay, means departure location code, then we will fetch only those records which are matching with this departure location code. Okay, if someone passing this destination location code, then we will fetch only those records which are matching with this destination location code. And if anyone passing both, then we need to do filter for departure location also, destination location also. Okay, so let's start with this one, this two query. Okay, so till this point I hope everyone clear. We are done with everything. So we are, without that filter condition, we are getting proper response. We is in here, we are getting proper response. Now let me close off. First I will go to get route. So let me see, is there any other position we can apply that filter? After getting response, if I will apply filter, so from here we are getting array of payload. Yes, here also we can apply filter, then we can do mapping. Yes, we should do at this place only. Once we will get response, we will check that filter. Okay, before that let me check one system API. What all filters we have in system API? This is system. Okay, we don't have any filter. Yeah, then we need to do in process API only. In process API only. One more minute. I'm going back to system API again. So in system API we are passing this transport type and transport company. Okay, so we are passing transport type and transport company. Okay, we can do in system API also, but leave it. Is decided to do in process API, we'll do in process API only. Actually, later on I will update this document, small modification required in this document. But till this point, whatever I have created this document, I will work on that basis only. But yeah, I have observed like few places I need to update this document to make it more practical. So first we will apply route filter. So we are at this point. Where is my process API? I want to XP API. Trade consolidated, experience API, process API. Okay. So company name we did, departure location and destination location. So what we will do here, so first we will check here in our query parameter, are we getting departure location? Then second we will check, are we getting destination location? And third we will check, are we getting both? Okay, so for that we will use this choice. Okay, here also we will apply same thing. Now based on choice we need to do filter, and then we will do this transformation. Okay, this part we will do in next part, next video. So let me conclude here. So till this point we implemented get route, we completed get schedule without applying that filter. That filter we will apply in next video.